Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a short video on using Excel to give you a whole bunch of statistics as was noted in Topic 8, Class 3. So I have on my spreadsheet there, you can see it goes right down here to cell number 52, B52, B51, a set of data, and what we want to do is we want to find the mean and all sorts of things from that data. So let's just note it's in B51 through B2. Right, now my computer is not set up to do statistics yet. There's nowhere up here that can help me do statistics. So I need to go to File, and I need to go right down to the bottom here, and I need to click on Options. Then I need to go to Add-ins. Then I need to go to Analysis Toolpack. Then down here where we've got Manage, I need to click on Manage, and I need to put a tick box in there. I may as well do these while I'm at it. But now I'm going to say OK. And when that's done, you'll notice on the right hand side over here, I now have another column that wasn't there before, Data Analysis. So now I can click on Data Analysis, and I want to do descriptive statistics. I want a whole bunch of statistics, so it's this one. Click on OK. Now fill the information in. Right, so my input is in B2 colon to B51, and it's in a column, and I don't have any labels. I am going to put the output in some cell, say M16 will do, M16, and I want to look at the summary statistics. I want to look at the confidence level for the mean. I can do that. And then I'm going to say OK, and fingers crossed that this works. There we are. So over here then, I have the mean, the standard error, which is something we don't need to look at, but there's the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the variance. So the variance squared, as you remember, is the other way around. Standard deviation squared is the variance. Then there's a whole lot of other things. The kurtosis you don't need, the skewness you don't need. The range, well, that might be important between the smallest and the biggest. The maximum is 48. The minimum is 48. The maximum is 256. If you add them all together, there are 541, and the count of them is 50, which was right. I did know that this data had 50 entries. So in the video, this is the data pertaining to the micrograms of lead in some children's blood, where there are 50 children that they've taken the sample from. So that's just another way of finding the mean, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, and so on.